Job number 4 for a silent E at the end of the word has to do with final stable syllables. Final stable syllables include multiple sounds, but they're found at the end of the word, and they're very stable. They say very consistent sounds. These could include shun or idge or chur, like in picture. But final stable syllables that have to do with a silent E in the word are seen here in stable and syllable. These are also known as consonant LE syllables because they have a consonant L and a silent E, like in bull, like in bubble, coal, dull, full, goal, like angle, coal, pull, soul, like tussle, soul, like castle. That tricks a lot of students because they want to say the T sound, toll, like bottle, and zol. And those are the 4th job for the silent E at the end of a word.